and everyone here today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, and a good afternoon everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is William Agaras Tanggam, and you can call me Willy, William, and please not Willy Sami. Okay, and today I'm standing here to deliver my presentations about my English text, English report text, and in these days I will bring you wonderful places that I have crossed and come to that. It involves the beauty of the Sunda Strait. We know that Sunda Strait is Selat Sunda. Okay, next slide. Sorry. Okay, what is the Sunda Strait by the way? The Sunda Strait or Selat Sunda is a natural strait located in Indonesia, situated between the island of Java and Sumatra, and connecting the Java Sea with the Indian Ocean. Even though it is located between the Java and the Sumatra Island, Sunda Strait is more dominant in entering the Sumatra region, specifically in Lampung province, especially in the south of Lampung sub-district. Next slide. Okay, we can see the beauty of Lampung and Sunda Strait. We can see the majestic Seagull Tower, and we can see the green Lampung Highlands, which is as the gateway to the island of Sumatra, or we call Gerbang dari Sumatra. Next slide. Okay, with that, let's discuss about the history of the Sunda Strait. This is due to the ship along the South Resort in the western Indonesia, which generally run northeast and are known as the Batam Monument. Experts also suggest that the Krakatau explosion formed the Sunda Strait. This was caused by a very large eruption that formed a cultural larger crater. Next slide, sir. Okay, the explosions resulted in the 3 quarters of Mount Krakatau being destroyed, leaving the large crater in the Sunda Strait. As one of the most major passages running from the south of China Sea to the Indian Oceans, the other being the Strait of Malacca, the Sunda Strait is an important to a shipping lane. Okay, let's take a closer look at the highlights of the Sunda Strait. Next slide. Let's take a closer look and explore the beauty of the Sunda Strait furthermore. I will take you to see the beauty of Mount Krakatau in the Sunda Strait. You can see the blue oceans, the green expanse of island, and the beautiful sunset in the Sunda Strait. One of the highlights of the Sunda Strait is Mount Krakatau and the Anak Krakatau volcano, which is still known to be active. Next slide. Mount Krakatau. Next slide. Mount Krakatau is one of the highlights of the Sunda Strait. Standing majestically and beautifully, Mount Krakatau has a truly terrifying past. Krakatau erected in 1883. The eruption was so powerful that it was considered as far away as America and Australia. Krakatau also one of the mountains with the most powerful eruptions in the world. Okay, next slide. After the massive eruptions of Mount Krakatau in 1883, Krakatau from caldera and a new crater beneath it. If the caldera continues to